Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Cari and in this channel you can find unboxing, haul, product review, home decor and more. In today's video I'm gonna share with you what I consider the 7 best items, 7 pieces from Louis Vuitton under $300. So it's gonna be very interesting. This is all based on my personal opinion. I own some of them, which I'm gonna be showing you. Wherever I don't own is because I really I wanna buy it. I wanna purchase it in the future soon as possible before they pass this rank of $300. So I'm gonna try my best to buy before that, but right now, whatever I'm not showing you, I'm gonna be showing you here in a picture so you have an idea or you can see what I'm talking about and what the item look like. So let's start with this video. My number one product under $300, one of the best from Louis Vuitton is Bandeau. So I consider this one of the best because they range between $185 and $195. So right now I have right here the $185 one, which usually is thinner. You see here is thinner, and in the end usually is in a pointy corner like this. So this range in $185, which I consider an amazing purchase because you can do multiple things with this in your bag, for yourself, in your hair. Like these are so pretty and usually come in different colors, different design, which is very cool. In the same family, kind of like the Bandeau's family, is this other one, which this one is $195, and it comes just like this. It's like, it could be longer. Let me check very quick to make sure. This one look just a little bit longer, but it's thicker. You see it's like wider, like it's like bigger right here, but the same is $195, and you can do a lot with these pieces. So I think it's an amazing price to an amazing item to start your Louis Vuitton collection and under $300. My next item or product is perfume, Louis Vuitton perfume. They usually range for $265. You have those that are limited edition or exclusive or new or something like that, that it can cost you more. Of the bottle is like a fancy looking bottle, but they usually $265. So this is one of the product that I have in my list for next purchase. I really would like to own one, but I just trying to see which one I really love, because it had to be something that I really love. This could be one of the items under $300 that you could buy or you could have for yourself, and I think it's a really nice one. My third product or item from Louis Vuitton under the $300 is Bracelet. So, oh my, bracelet could be a perfect accessory that can lift you up to another level. It could make you very happy. It could be something very simple and very pretty, and they all range from different price. Right now I have this one right here. I'm gonna leave you the video link down here just in case you want to check it out. I also gonna leave you some video down here from my Bandeaus, just in case, the link down in the description box, just in case you're interested to watch some of those unboxings. But this one is pretty nice. This one is $265, which I love, and it's so pretty, and it really making a statement. So just in case you want to purchase something little, something small under $300 that you can enjoy and go from there. I think bracelet is one item that it could be an amazing purchase. You have some of them that range from $265, which is the one that I just showed you. You have one like this one right here that is $270, and you have another one for $240. So it look more like this, which all have different prices, but they all under $300, and you have options, which is the good thing. So if you have a different or a small budget, you can go for the $240, $265, $270. So that's the good thing, that you have options right here. Okay, now my number 4 product of item from Louis Vuitton is straps. So I could only find 2 straps for under $300, which I own one of them, which is this adjustable monogram strap. This one is $255, and like I say, it's adjustable, which is pretty awesome. And this is what it looks like. This is the monogram one, and it comes with this other piece, which is the one that you adjust, to. But they also have this one right here, the shoulder strap BBN, which that one is $275, and this one I don't think is adjustable, and it's like that leather, that patina. So it's up to you, but you have option here from this one for $255 and this one for $275. So it's option right there, two under $300. My number 5 option is the key pouch. So I have this monogram key pouch right here, which I purchased it for $225, and now it's $270, but it's still under $300, and I think it's an amazing item. And you can use it for multiple things, and based on other items that is almost $300. This is one that had pretty good value for the price, and so far right now it's only $300. So this one of my favorites, and yes, this could be one option. Okay, my number 6 item is the key holder. So I have this one right here. This is in a monogram with the gold button right there, and this is what it looks like. So this is another amazing option for under $300. This is valued at $265, which is pretty nice price, and like I say, they close to the $300. So if you're really in a budget and you would like to get one small item or a pretty nice item that you can really give a good use, this is one of them under $300. So I really recommend it. It's amazing, and I really love it, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. So number 7 is card holders. So this is different value, different prices, and different design of card holder. This is one of them right here. This range for $220, and it's different kind of design. It's different of them with different colors and kind of like a different, not exactly design, but different color of leather, but they all for $220. This is a great option. I really would love to get at least one of them because it's only $220. Very pretty good price, and what I see in other videos, people really love it. So this is an amazing option. They also have right here the envelope business card holder, which that one is $295, pretty close to the $300, but it seems pretty nice. It seems like I have a lot of space for your cards and even cash. So that's another item to consider, which I included in the family of the card holders because it's only under $300, but it's considered a card holder too. You also have this one, the card holder daily, which is $225, and it's a pretty nice color too, so that's something else to consider to see if maybe something that you like. Okay guys, this is the 7 pieces on the $300 from Louis Vuitton that it could be a great piece for you to get if you're in a budget or you are considering not to go like crazy and spend a lot of money in any of the Louis Vuitton items. I think they are great pieces. Let me know if you own one of these, if you agree, what is your opinion, what you think about this one, if it's any of these 7 pieces that you will love to get as soon as possible before they go at $300 price or more. And remember to smile because you are beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up because it's free. And thank you, share this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.